it behaves like a magnet. Let us perform a simple experiment to understand it. Take a thin insulated copper wire and fix it in the north-south direction. Place a compass needle, which is a tiny magnet, under the wire. Connect the two ends of the wire to a battery. When no current is flowing in the wire, the magnetic needle is parallel to the wire and points in the usual north-south direction. The needle gets deflected from its north-south position when current is passed through the wire. When electric current is switched off, needle returns to its original position. This shows that an electric current produces a magnetic field around it. Let's perform a simple activity to show the magnetic effect of current. Take a long piece of flexible wire and wrap it around an iron nail. This forms an electromagnet. Connect the free ends of the wire to the terminals of a cell through a switch. Now, place some pins near the end of the nail and switch on the current. We see that the pins cling to the tip of the nail. When the current is switched off, the pins no longer are attracted to the nail. The coil in the above activity behaves like a magnet when electric current flows through it. When the electric current is switched off, the coil generally loses its magnetism. Such coils are called electromagnets. Thus, an electromagnet works on the magnetic effect of electric current. You must have observed cranes lifting heavy iron scraps in scrapyard. These lifts make use of electromagnets for lifting and transporting large masses of iron scrap, girders, plates, etc. It is also used to separate magnetic material from the junk.